Hi everyone, in this video I am going to be teaching you IPA. What is IPA? IPA means International Phonetic Alphabets. How 26 English alphabets or 26 English letters make 46 English sounds. So this video is going to be all about that. Let's take a look inside.
A, B, C, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, it was American pronunciation. Now let's listen the British pronunciation also.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, now you can pay attention here. We have O sounds. Fine, in Hindi we have only one O, but in English there is little change. Slightly there is little difference, you can see now. So first one, this is known as a O. Fine, IPA. This is IPA symbol. IPA symbol of English sounds. In Hindi we say O. But then now the difference, it's known as a small O here. AWAY, away, away. Actually this is known as a away. Okay, this is the, according to IPA, small O, away. And another symbol you can see very carefully, this is little big O, CUP, cup, LUCK, luck. And you can see here, this is the pronunciation written, and this is the pronunciation of luck. L sound symbol of IPA, O and K, luck. And this is known as A, because first of all we are seeing the vowel sounds. Okay, A and A, exactly. Arm, father, fa, do. This is known as a do according to IPA sound. And then we have 3 E's in English according to IPA phonetic sounds. According to IPA International Phonetic Alphabet, we have 3 E sounds in English. You just need to make sure. First of all, we just want to see the vowel sounds. How 5 vowels have 22 sounds in English language? This is confusing. First of all, small e. Small e is, this one is the small e. Just I, as a capital I. It's written here. Okay, now HIT, hit, small is the small E sound. Hit, sit, SIT. Okay, that means first one is the small E. This is the small E. Little weak E. This is also, but little weak difference is there. Happy, happy, P. Here you can see the pronunciation written there according to International Phonetic Alphabet sounds. Now third one is big one. Big one is written like this. Yes, two dots backside and then one dot up sound. So pronunciation will be something like this. C, heat, HEAT, heat. So we need to make sure that how to distinguish this. E, 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 and then U also. We have U sounds also in English. Not only one U, three U sounds are there. First one is this one, you can recognize, and then this is the small U sound giving U, P-U-T, put. Okay, C-O-U-L-D, could. Here this is, it's written something like this. Yes, it's written something like this, so known as a small U. Okay, next vowel sounds. Okay, next one now, little bit big than small. U, actual, actual. U, U sounds. Here this is little big. U, it is written just like we write the U, that's it. Actual, this is the actual. A is written like this. Then third one we have big U, which will give exactly U. Big U sounds. Blue, food, not food, food. This one, this U and two dot. This is known as a long U sounds. So there are three U sounds in English language. Small U, P-U-T, put. Little weak, which will be known as a middle one, actual U, and then third one, big one, U, which will follow two dots. Next, A. This is the A sounds. A, according to IPA, M-E-T, met, B-E-D, bit. Okay, A, it's a sound. So these are the vowel sounds. A, this is the A sound, exact A, like this. A, C-A-T, cat, B-L-A-C-K, black. This is written cat, black. According to IPA, it is written like this. And then next, this sound is known as a O. O. Here, O, H-O-T, hot, R-O-C-K, rock, O, O. Okay, next one is given O. O sound. It's little difficult to see the difference here. To clear the difference, C-A-L-L, call. They have it's given the difference here, but in Hindi it is little difficult to find the difference. So you can see here C-A-L-L, call. It is written like this. Two dots are there. Here you can see call. For, F-O-U-R, for. Fine. And third one is known as a and half raw. You can see there a raw. This one, T-U-R-N, turn, L-E-A-R-N, learn, G-I-R-L, girl. This one, So this is known like this. So yeah, this one, girl. Okay, next is diphthongs. So diphthongs, these are also vowel sounds. Diphthongs. So diphthongs means wherever we find the two vowel sounds, or else two vowels coming together. So there we find the sounds something like that. Now for example, this is known as a I, A-E, I, F-I-V-E, 5, I, I. You have to write according to IPA. This is and then this I, 5, E-Y-E, I, E-Y-E. And this is next one. It's known as a ow, 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 now, out, written like that. This one you should be able to, according to this you have to find the pronunciation, not according to Hindi. In Hindi we do not have the sufficient words to describe it, but according to IPA we have sufficient sounds given here. That's the reason we are able to find that how 26 English letters are making 46 English sounds. That's why English is known as a crazy language. Next is AE, 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 S-A-Y, say. What did you say? 8, E-I-G-H-T, two vowels. E also is vowel there, I also is vowel, two vowels coming together. A, say, 8, 8. This is what we need to make the habit of pronouncing. Next one is ow or ow, ow, ow or ow. Okay, it's a little difficult now. We can say ow or ow. Now G-O, go, H-O-M-E, home, H-O-M-E, home. Yeah, go, ow, ow or ow, ow, go. Where did you go? Difficult, difficult. That's what we find difficult to understand when native speakers are talking to us. Next one is oi, oi. This one is oi, B-O-Y, boy, join sound. Next one is next one is ear, air, where, E-R, where, air. Fine, the pronunciation you can see here. Next one is E, E, it was air. Next one is ear, 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 near, hair. These are the pronunciation sounds given here. So hope this is also clear. Okay, here vowel sounds are finished. Let's go to next now, consonant sounds. Okay, so consonants also, the sounds, 24 sounds are there altogether. Now so ko, consonant, exact ko as it is in Hindi, ko, C-A-T, cat. Okay, ko, B-A-C-K, whack, ko. Sound, go is just like G, go. F-L-A-G, flag, a sound, it is already taught to you, a. Next is no. Next is no sound, sing, finger. Next is jaw is written like this, according to IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet. T and S, this is known as jaw. T or F, it is known as a jaw. Jaw is written like this according to IPA. Check, church. Next is jaw, pleasure. Jaw also we have 3 jaw in English language. 3 jaw sounds are coming there. Pleasure, vision, z, another z, z, lazy. It's big sound. First one small one, and the next one little big. Third one is small, just large, just large. So 3 jaw sounds: small one, long one, little bit long. Pleasure, z, lazy, just. And then taw sound. Taw is as it is in Hindi, taw, T-E-A, T, getting, T-E. Here you can see the big E is used. This is known as a big E sound. Okay, this is also clear now. Next is daw, did. Daw is just like D according to IP also. Next one is thaw, theta. Yes, this is thaw sound. Think, here you can see here, thaw, small e and then caw, think. This is written think. You have to write like this: thaw, small e and caw. According to IPA, I have written this think. Both, thaw at last, thaw sound. Theta, daw, this is daw. According to IPA, this is known as a daw. This, 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 mother. So here is, we can see the daw. This, daw, small e, sound, the, and then so, this, mother, aw, the, aw, mother. Next is no. No is just like as it is in Hindi, N-O, no. Paw is also just like P sounds according to English. In Hindi, paw, P-E-T, pet, map. Four is also just like English, F sound of the IPA alphabet in Hindi, for, find. If, for sound of IPA. Bo is exact like bo in English, B sound. Bat, lab, bo is written like that according to IPA in order to read the pronunciation according to Oxford Dictionary to recognize the pronunciation of any word. Okay, next is, this is vo sound, voice. Some people say vo, so voice, but I am not sure. It's voice. 5, vo means vo type, not bo, vo, voice. Next is mo, just like mo in Hindi. In English it's M, it's not difficult to recognize. But next is yaw. Yaw is jaw, just like jaw, English jaw, but according to IPA this is yaw. Yes, here you can see, not yes, yes, this is yaw. This is then small a and then so, yes. Raw, just like Hindi, red. Next is law, just like English, and then Hindi also low, lake, little. Next is W, war, wet, window, window, war, so, just like same in Hindi, sun, miss, so sound, shaw, shaw is little different to be recognized according to IPA. This is shaw, s, shaw, she, crash, shaw, big E is there used here, you can see. Okay, next is haw, haw is H. Okay, in Hindi we have the same here. Now how, hello, it's not hello, you can see here the pronunciation is ha, small o, la, o, hello, something like that. Okay, so this was all about IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet. It's very important how 26 alphabets of English language making 46 English sounds, how 5 vowels making 22 sounds, and rest consonants making 24 sounds. So altogether 46 sounds. So 26 letters make 46 English sounds. That's why it's little difficult sometimes to pronounce the word exactly, as well to read and write also. Example, B-U-S, bus. Here consonant as giving as a saw sound, saw, bus. Now the same as I am going to use, and to make another word the sound will be different. B-U-S-Y, VZ, Z, so here as giving as a zo sound. That's why the consonant also have the different sounds. One word is used for at least 2 sounds, 3 sounds, and then same way the 5 vowels are used to make 22 English sounds. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this.